honor and privilege to witness another GEMS awarding ceremony kung saan nagbibigay saludo po ang national at ang provincial government sa ating SK Federation na tunay na nakapag-deliver ng serbisyong tapat at maasahan. At sa lahat po ng probinsya sa buong Region 12, Sultan Kudarat Province lang po ang awardee. Always remember what we have started before and where we are standing today. We have stood firm upon different principles. But if there's one thing that I would highlight for today's event, yan po ay yung permanent, lasting solution that we offer to the people. Ang hinahanap po natin ay mga solusyong pamatagalan na tunay na makapagbigay na ginhawa sa buhay ng ordinaryong Pilipino. Do not let the doubters make us hesitate. Lahat ng ating ibinigay na pangako ay nagiging totoo at tinutupad natin. Sultan Kudarat is a place where we make impossible things possible. And that is how we should perceive life, ladies and gentlemen. Stepping out of our comfort zones, dreaming big for our people, allocating scarce resources in the most effective and efficient way. Yan po ang ibig sabihin ng good governance, where we maximize the potentials of our province. If there's one thing that you will learn from tonight, yun po ay to dream of big, impossible things. Because in your own ways, you can also do great things. But if you cannot do the great, magnificent, big things, then do the small things in the greatest ways you can. And that is the message for everyone. Continue to be an inspiration to our youth. Continue to make Sultan Kudarat proud and continue to exemplify good governance. Na ipakita po natin to that this can be reality. This can be the Philippines that we will aspire together to have a better Sultan Kudarat and a better Philippines for our constituents.